This tourist thought France healthcare is cheap, but one small emergency cost him over $3,000 in just one night, and his insurance didn't fully cover it. If you're traveling to France, watch this before it's too late. France is one of the most visited countries in the world. Millions of tourists travel every year, but many ignore medical risks. Most travelers think healthcare in France is cheap. They believe it is affordable for everyone. This is not true for tourists. France has a strong healthcare system, but it is not free for visitors. You must pay full medical costs. A simple doctor visit can cost $100 to $250. Emergency treatment can go above $2,000. Costs increase quickly. Hospital stays are expensive. Private hospitals charge even more. Bills can reach thousands. Many travelers ignore travel insurance. They think it is not important. This can lead to financial loss. Cheap insurance plans are risky. They provide limited coverage. Serious cases may not be covered. Schengen visa requires $30,000 coverage, but this is only basic protection. Real safety needs higher coverage. Pre-existing conditions are usually excluded. Many people don't know this. Claims often get rejected. Ambulance services can be costly. Even short distances cost money. Many plans do not cover this fully. Cashless treatment is very important. It allows direct billing. This reduces stress during emergencies. Without cashless service, you pay first, then apply for reimbursement. This process is slow. Claim process should be simple. Complicated claims create problems. Choose reliable insurance. 24/7 support is essential. Emergencies can happen anytime. Immediate help is necessary. Network hospitals make treatment easier. You get faster service. Always check before buying. Travel delays can create extra costs. Flights can be delayed. Insurance helps manage this. Baggage loss is another risk. Valuable items can disappear. Good insurance covers it. A tourist in Paris had severe stomach pain. He was rushed to a private hospital. Doctors performed tests immediately. He stayed overnight for observation. The total bill crossed $3,000. He was shocked by the cost. His insurance had limited coverage. It only paid a part of the bill. He paid the rest himself. This situation happens often. Many travelers face similar issues. Poor planning is the reason. Choosing the right insurance is important. Do not focus only on price. Focus on coverage. Always read the policy carefully. Hidden terms affect claims. Awareness is key. Check exclusions before buying. This helps avoid surprises. It improves your decision. Family travelers should be careful. Medical risks affect everyone. Protection is necessary. Senior travelers need better plans. Their risk is higher. Basic plans are not enough. Students and visitors must plan properly. Emergencies can happen anytime. Insurance is essential. Travel insurance gives peace of mind. It protects your finances. It ensures safe travel. France is a beautiful destination, but medical costs are high. Insurance is your safety net. Smart travelers prepare in advance. They avoid financial risk. They stay protected. Travel insurance is not an expense. It is an investment. It saves you from big losses. Many travelers regret ignoring insurance. They face problems later. Learn from others. One mistake can cost thousands. Do not ignore insurance. Make smart decisions. Always choose reliable insurance providers. This ensures smooth claims. It saves time. Remember this simple rule. Cheap insurance becomes expensive later. Always choose wisely.